Veganism, a dietary choice based on ethical and environmental concerns, emerged as a significant movement in the latter half of the 20th century. Originating from animal welfare advocacy, groups formed during the late 1970s, veganism gained momentum when prominent individuals such as Donald Watson introduced it to broader audiences through his publication, The Vegan Lifestyle, in 1944. The concept became increasingly influential during the 1980s and 1990s, facilitated by technological advancements that increased access to plant-based foods and reduced meat products on grocery shelves. One of the defining events was a lawsuit filed against the PETA, People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals, headquarters in 1987, leading to improved vegan product availability and greater media coverage. This period also saw significant scientific studies highlighting environmental benefits, such as the United Nations Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change report in 2006, emphasizing the importance of reducing meat consumption for combating climate change. Over time, the rise in popularity led to major corporations, like McDonald's, launching vegan products and initiatives, while countries implemented policies supporting plant-based diets. Social media platforms further accelerated this trend by allowing vegans to connect worldwide and share recipes, lifestyle tips, and health benefits. Veganism's global influence is evident through increased awareness campaigns, educational programs, and market innovations. In 2016, a report from the United Nations estimated that more than 3 million people chose vegan diets for environmental reasons alone. Benefits include reduced greenhouse gas emissions, improved biodiversity, and sustainable farming practices. However, drawbacks involve potential nutrient deficiencies if not planned properly. Looking ahead to 2050, projections suggest continued growth in veganism due to increased global awareness of health benefits, sustainability concerns, and advancements in plant-based nutrition that enhance flavor and texture, mimicking animal products. Future improvements could focus on developing more appealing alternatives to traditional meat dishes, expanding production efficiency, and bolstering consumer education to support a widespread and inclusive vegan culture.